Hi guys, back to multiplication. This is what we've been working on this morning. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. The x in the multiplication problem means groups of. 0 times anything is going to equal 0. 1 times anything is going to be that number. Those two numbers will be the same. 2 times anything is the double. 4 times anything is a double of the double. 4 times 2 would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 4 would be 8. 5 times anything, you're going to count by fives. 3s we're going to work on in just a minute. 10 times anything is going to be this number with a 0 behind it, counting by tens. All right, now let's work on some 3s, okay? When you multiply by 3s, you have the double plus one more group. And we've counted by 3s a lot in class when we had our number of the day and we divided by 3s. If we could do that, then we would count by 3s, okay? We know 0 times 3 equals 0, because 0 times anything equals 0. 1 times 3 equals 3, because one group of 3 is 3, okay? 2 times 3 is the double of 3, that is 6. So that's when we start to move this. We'll do that later. This is where we start to need our multiplication. 3 times 3 equals repeated addition, 3 plus 3 plus 3. Or we can draw 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3 plus 3 we know is 6, plus one more group of 3, one more group, and that equals 9. And you notice every time we go and we add another number, we add a 3 to it. 3 groups of 4, or 4 groups of 3. We can write it either way, 4 groups of 3, because it's going to be the same answer. And we just add one more group of 3 here, and one more group of 3 here, and one more group of 3 here. All 3 are going to be 6 plus 6 is 12. Now remember, multiplying by 4s means the double of the double. Here's your double. 2 times 3 is 6. We double that number, we get 12. Okay? All right, 5 times 3, we're just counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, or 3, 6, 9, 12, plus one more equals 15. We can multiply by 5s, or we can multiply by 3s, either way. All right, 6 times 3. All right, let's erase this, because this is where it gets hard. When I was learning my multiplication tables, the 3s were the hardest ones for me, so I really had to spend time with that. 6 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 6. That sounds easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. That's my double. Plus one more group. Okay? Add your ones place. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And bring your 1 from the tens place. So, and we just add 3 to 15, and that gives us 18 as well. All right, what about 7 groups of 3? Or 3 groups of 7? I would rather add 3 big groups of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I know that the double of 7 is 14. plus 7 more. Okay, 7 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11. I can leave the 1 in the ones place. And 110 plus the 110 I already have is 21. 18 plus 3 equals 21. Okay, let's erase this so we have more room. Now remember, when you multiply, you can switch the two numbers around. So if it's easier for you to draw 7 groups of 3 and count by 3s, that's fine. Okay, that's what we'll do with 8 times 3. We will make 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll put 3 in each one. Da, 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 da. Need a little symphony music. Okay, so here we've got 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now, when we multiply by 8, we're quadrupling the double. That means we've got 4 groups. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And 12 plus 12 equals 24. So 8 groups of 6, or 8 groups of 3, 8 groups of 3, 4 groups of 6, 2 groups of 12, all equal 24. So this equals 24. 2 times 12 equals 24. 4 times, 4 times 6 equals 24, because we have 4 groups of 6 here. And 2 times 12 and 8 times 3, they all equal the same thing. Math is so cool. All right, 9 groups of 3. Okay, we'll just add one more group of 3 to 24. That equals 27. See, we keep adding a group of 3 each time. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Oh my goodness, I wonder what 10 times 3 is going to be. Well, where's part of my 9? 10 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 10. And that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. Okay? Have a great day. Love you guys.